Seymour. We're close enough. We're about, it says 22 nautical miles away. 11 more minutes. So Seymour has runway 1735. The wind's out of the south today, so we'll be landing on 17. And we'll just enter left downwind on a 45 because we're going to be coming in. Did not understand what he said. Seymour's a nice little runway. They did a lot of work to it. They got some, I guess, grant money. Put a lot of money into the runway. Working on the taxiways. So it's a work in progress. It does not have fuel though. Fuel would be nice. Or an FBO. But it's a work in progress. They said they're working on it, putting money in it. So we'll see. Little roller coaster. It's not that bad, but usually in the afternoons it's starting to get warm. It's probably low 90s. All that heat rising makes it bumpy, but in the morning it's sure is nice.
Bonanza 249 Bravo, Bravo, 10 miles to the northwest. Going to be entering a left downwind for 35, full stop.
Look at our surface wind, see if it'll give us anything. That looks like it's directly south. That guy said he was going at 3.5, but who knows where he was at. There's nobody at this airport. At old Seymour. Identifier 60 Foxtrot. Seymour, Texas. 15 miles away. We get about 10 miles out, we'll make a radio call, let them know we're inbound for 17. And I'm anticipating 17. We'll see when we get up here. They don't have weather at the airport, so we'll watch the windsock, see what it says. It'll tell us. Seymour, if you can see it, and the airport is just north of it. So there's some little buildings. It's hard for y'all to see out this windshield that far, but there's a couple little buildings, and then there's some more little buildings just to the west of that, and that's our runway. Right down this road, there's a road, and then we got a lake up there. Start to slow descent. We don't want to get too fast. It's going to get bumpy the lower we get. Seymour traffic, Cardinal 907 Tango is 10 miles to the southeast. Inbound enter midfield, left downwind 17, full stop, Seymour. Alright, let's do a checklist for our descent. So mixture, we're going to creep it in because we're still pretty high, so we'll just slowly make it richer. Power is good where we want it. Carb heat, we don't need it because it's pretty good. We're in the green. Fuel, we're going to leave it on the left. There's no weather here. Altimeter, it's what it is, and the heading is a little off. We'll correct that. There we go. Alright, checklist complete. Kind of start seeing the runway now. I can, y'all probably can. Straight ahead.
Valley traffic, Bonanza 249 Bravo, Bravo, left downwind for 35, full stop.
Let's go ahead and bring it back to 2,000 RPM. That'll get us going. Reset that so we can see our cylinder head temperature and exhaust gas temperature. Start a slow descent. About 700 feet a minute, not 1,000. That's too much, right about there. More towards the city, that way we have more time to lose some altitude. without gaining too much speed. If we got to stay below 114 so our wings are still attached. So the wings are good. Wings are nice to have. Pretty convenient when you're in an airplane. Alright, there's 55 for, we'll just say 2400. 55 for 24. The elevation of the airport is 1,344 feet. So we just pretty much add 1,000 foot to that, round it up. Oh, it's not too complicated. There's 5,000 for 24, 3,000 feet to go. 2,600, close enough. Close enough. Not bad runway. It's 4,300 feet long, so fairly long. Especially for the Cardinal, it doesn't need much. Seymour traffic, Cardinal 907 Tango, 5 miles to the southeast, inbound, or left downwind 17, full stop, Seymour. Alright, we'll get our before landing checklist. Alright, landing light on, seatbelts are good, fuel's where we want it. We got mixture is set for our best power, and our airspeed with flaps up, we need to be about between 80 and 90 when we are coming in. 75 over the fence, over the numbers pretty much. Then let it bleed out. We'll have our flaps set, trim set, airspeed good. There's 4,000 for 26, 1,600 to go, and you can see the airport right here now. Here's the little town of Seymour, just north. Nice asphalt runway, really nice. I landed here the other day. Seymour traffic, Cardinal 907 Tango is left downwind for 17, full stop. Seymour. Alright, we need to lose about 1,000 more feet. We'll go ahead and put our first notch of flaps in, that'll help us slow down. We'll go full rich. Go ahead and slow it down. We're out of carb ice range. We're 80 right here, 80 degrees. Alright, 3,000 for 2,400. So looks good. Looks like the wind's blowing right down the runway, down 17, so that'll be good. Alright, before landing checklist, be at 75. Gently keep our nose up as we roll out, and brakes at minimum. Don't want to put new tires on here. And so we are over the numbers, about 75. So let's bring this back to 15, start a good descent, because we are at our altitude now. Keep it in that wide arc now, because as soon as we make this turn, which is now, we'll go half flaps in the turn. Seymour traffic, Cardinal 907 Tango left base for 17, full stop, Seymour. Keep her coming down. Now watch that airspeed, this is a critical flight right here. Watch your airspeed, watch your bank angle, take care of yourself, take care of your plane. Give us a little trim, help us out. Alright, and go 3/4 flap on final and start creeping this back. Get us down. Seymour traffic, Cardinal 907 Tango, final 17, Seymour.
miles 500.
Kind of extended out further than what I'd like. But it's alright, we're good. Bring that speed back now. Rather be a little too high than a little too low. Alright, there's 80. That's where we need to be. We crossed the number at 75. Keep our speed in there now. 3/4 flaps, everything looks good. Lights are on. Mixture rich. I have a little crosswind from the left, so we'll hold our right rudder and tilt our left wing towards the wind. That'll help us maintain our center line. Hold that off the runway, don't let it land until it's ready to land. Alright, flaps up. I think the wind doesn't know what it wants to do here. Because that flag deviated all the way straight crosswind. Now it's kind of pointing at us again. But that's fine, we're down. Wasn't a bad little landing, smooth. Alright, so we'll lean off the mixture so we don't foul plugs. About right there. Everything up, we'll open the window so we can stay cool because it is hot here. Over 90 degrees.